Hello everyone, back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to switch between gaming and productivity modes on Log 15. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first step that you can do is use Lenovo Vantage for power and thermal modes. To use it or open it, simply open up your start menu and on the search bar type in your Lenovo Vantage. Then once it loads, what you need to do is select the game settings from the left hand side menu bar. And once you're inside here, you'll find the option that says thermal mode right here. Simply click on it, and then if you want to switch to the gaming mode, simply select performance mode, which boosts your computer performance with higher fan speed and power consumption. Performance mode is only applicable when the AC power adapter is plugged in, and if you use balance mode, it automatically adjusts the performance and fan speed according to the system requirement. And you can also use the quiet mode by keeping it quiet by increasing your computer performance and fan speed where possible with lower power consumption. Then you can also head over and open up your system settings by heading over to the start menu and entering settings. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is select settings from the left hand side menu. Then once you're inside here, select power and battery. And once you're inside the power and battery option, under power mode, simply select best performance if you want the best gaming performance, and if you want to have productive mode, simply keep it on balance or best power efficiency. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.